So this is Eclipse. If you are not having Eclipse in your system, please install it. So let's see how we can create the blank set in Python. So let's say there is my set variable which contains a blank set. So how you will create a blank set? Using set class you can create it, and just I will print the type of my set variable. So you can see type is set. So in this way you can create a blank set, and there is another method. So let's say my underscore set 1 equals using curly braces. So let's say if I will print the type of this curly braces my set 1, so you can see the output is dict. So you know this is dictionary, and whenever you will use this type, then it will consider as dictionary. If you will use square, then it will consider as list, and if you are using a small bracket, then it will consider as tuple. So if you are going to create any blank set, please avoid this method. So this is not the way of creating blank set. In first method you can use it and you can create a blank set. But let's say how we can insert the element inside it. So just use a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will print here, print my set, and you can see the output is set, and these are the elements of this set, or we can say these are the object of this set. So let's say if I am inserting any element inside curly braces, so 1 I will insert from 10 to 11 to 12, 13 and 14. So now if I will check the type of my set 1, you can see this is set. So if you will use this one, it's a good way, and if you are using this also, so this is also fine. So anyone you can use, but for creating the blank set you have to use first one. I will comment it. So let's insert the values which are duplicates. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If I will run this program, you can see the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So duplicates values I am going to insert inside my set, but it will accept only unique elements. There are I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 time 1, and it will accept only ones. Okay, so you can see there is only 1. Fine. So in this way we can debug, yes, it is not accepting duplicates. So that's what I told you here. So this is the collection of unique elements. Now the second point is an unordered collection. So what is the meaning of unordered collection? So let's say I want to iterate the elements using index. So I will print my set using index, let's say 0. So you can see the output is error, type error. So set object does not support indexing. So always remember, this is unordered collection and we cannot iterate it using indexing. And dictionary is also unordered collection. So this is the limitation. And let's say how we can add the element inside my set. So just use my set dot add. So this is a predefined method which will provide you the functionality to insert the elements. So let's insert 34 and see the output. Okay, I'm not printing after adding it, so just I will print so that you can get the clear picture. So you can see now output is 134 got inserted. Because it's a unordered collection, so we can't predict where it will come or what will be the order of our set. So let's insert same thing, but we'll insert two values at same time. So here I am inserting only one object, and now I will insert two objects. Let's say 36 and 70. So let's run the program. You can see a type error. So always remember, whenever you are using add predefined function of set, it will accept only first element or only one argument. So it is not possible to insert two elements. If you want to insert two elements, you have to use, there is other method called update. So if I will use update here and then I will run the program, you can see the output. I'm getting something. Okay, my set.update int object is not iterable. Okay, so we have to use here a list of items. So let's say this is a list of items or objects, and now I want to insert inside the set, so it got inserted. So if I will use in add a list of elements, let's say 34, 56 or 79, that time it will gives error. So this is the difference between add and update. So inside add function you can pass only one object or single object, but using update you can pass more than one objects. Okay, so let's see what kind of data it accept. So I will create another my set, let's say my set1 equals set and 1 2 3 4. So these are the numbers, and another built-in is hello, and this is a kind of list also. So I'm passing all kind of data, and I will pass one tuple. For tuples we are using a small bracket, and I will pass one element, that is dictionary, and the key of dictionary is, let's say 1, and the value is 1. I will try to print my set1, and now see the output. My set1 unhashable type. So we cannot use dictionary to insert the element inside set, so you have to remove it. Now run the program. Yes, you can see again unhashable type. So you cannot insert a list also inside a set. So you can insert only numbers, string and tuple. Okay, so please avoid to use list and dictionary to insert inside a set. But now your confusion is, here we are using a list. Yes, of course. So this is the first hierarchy. So I will explain this hierarchy. So let's say I'm creating a set, so it will insert in this way 1 2, and this is called second hierarchy. Let's say this is also another list. So inside this list it's not possible to insert another list, always remember. So you can insert only numbers, string and tuples, because all three are immutable. So you can't insert the mutable variables. Okay, in this way you can create the set, and let's say now I want to delete some element from my set1. So how you can delete? My set dot discard. So discard is a method. Using this method you can delete any element. So let's say try to print again my set1, and you can see the output is discard takes exactly one argument. So here you have to pass which element you want to delete. So I want to delete 4, and now you can see the output, 4 got deleted. So using discard you can delete any element, and let's say if I want to delete that element which is not available inside my set1, so let's say 20. So 20 is not available inside my set1, and I will run this program. So you can see there is no error. But our requirement is, I want error when this element is not exist. Okay, so that time you can use remove. So difference between remove and discard is, let's run this program now. You can see there is an error. key error, because 20 element is not available in my set and I want to delete it. So that time it will returns error, but discard will not return any error if element is not present. So this is the difference between discard and remove. And let's say I will use discard again. Oh, sorry, it's not a difference. Discard, run the program. You can see there is no error. If you want to handle any error, then use remove, otherwise you can use discard. So in next video we will discuss about the operation of set, like union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference, and how we can work with it. Thanks for watching.